Hi, I'm Kasilda Mubarak with my students number 2321222130. Here I would like to tell you about genre-based approach method, and then I will show you some class demonstration about GBA in teaching and writing. Genre-based approach is a method of teaching writing that blends process and product approaches. This provides students with the opportunity to learn meaningfully in building their knowledge and skills. According to Highland 2003, the GBA describes how to employ linguistics patterns to produce a composition that is both intentional and cohesive. The principal characteristics of GBA. First, it is essential for the teacher to develop students' awareness that every text is unique and relative. It means that each genre has different social purposes, structures, and linguistic features. Therefore, students must understand that not all texts are the same. Second, GBA believes that language learning is a social activity. This means that language is learned through interaction. Students learn when they discuss, collaborate, ask questions, and construct meaning together with their peers and teachers. Third, learning will be more effective if the teachers explicitly explain the expected skills that will obtained by the students. Teachers must clearly convey the learning objectives, the text structure that must be understood, and the linguistic features that must be used. This explicit teaching makes students more prepared and understand the direction of their learning. Fourth, GBA underlines that students learn in teachers' guidance in the form of apprenticeship. This means that teachers act as experts who show how to read and write text, then help students create text together, until finally students are able to create text independently. The last, teaching grammar is an essential part of guiding students. In GBA, grammar is not taught separately, but is linked to the social function of the text. For example, teaching the past tense because narratives describes events in the past. In this way, students understand grammar as a tool to achieve the purpose of the text, not as a set of rules that stand alone. And these are the 4 stages of GBA implementation in the classroom that I will use in my classroom demonstration using these 4 stages. The first stage is building knowledge of the field. The teacher introduces the topic and gives background knowledge, like giving the social function, language features, and text structure of the text types. Before we start, have you heard narrative story or have you read it before? Yes. What kind of story?
Novel.
Novel. It's elaborate a bit. Yeah, it's okay. Yeah, it's even letters. No? And the grasshopper? Ah, right. Yes. So, what is narrative story?
A story that tells about something fictional or unfictional. Then it has like problem in it. Like introduction of the characters, and then there's a problem, and then there's like solution to the problem. And there's like also moral story of every problem.
Yes. So it's story. There's the beginning and the ending.
Yeah.
Yes. Yes. Correct. So narrative text is the type of text that tells a chronological story, whether it's imaginative or based on modified reality, like fiction or non-fiction is based. And narrative text often present imaginative stories such as fairy tales, myths, and videos. And it has a sequential structure from the beginning of the event to the end, like I menghibur para pembaca dengan cerita yang menarik, imaginatif. There's also a lot of type of narrative text, as you can see here. Oke, salah satu dari ini kalian nggak? Like fairy tales, fables, right? Stories, romance, legend, tale. Okay. So this is the general structure yang ada di narrative story. It has orientation, introducing the characters in the story and setting where the story takes place, the atmosphere and the setting. And the complication, there's terbagi jadi tiga, is pricing action when where the problems is begin, and the climax, tengah-tengah problem itu yang semakin memuncak. And the falling action, the tension of the problem is decreased, and penurunan problem yang akan diselesaikan. The narrative story also have language features, like past tenses, like adjective, the use of past tenses because the narrative story is menceritakan kejadian yang sudah terjadi di masa depan, right? The end of time menunjukkan waktu di kapan kejadian itu terjadi.
Second, modeling of the text. Students read or analyze a model text to see its structure and language.
So, can you tell me where the orientation is? What's the time? Okay, that's read, walk, smile, sigh,
Arrive.
Third, joint construction of the text. The teacher and students write a new text together. Here, the teacher is a facilitator, monitoring, giving advice, and correcting.
what should we write?
Okay.
I think I'm going to take that out of
Last, independent construction. Students write their own text individually without the help of friends and no discussions.
to do. Write your story. So use your imaginative. Is 5 minutes enough?
I think yes. Can you listen? Give this.
Is it finished, guys? Finish. Okay. So next is I want one of you tell your story from your friends. Once. Okay. Okay. So what's the story? I made the lost necklace. Yes. One sunny afternoon, Mira walked to the beach near her village. She loved collecting seashells, but that day, something surprisingly happened. She found a tiny silver necklace buried in the sand. Later, an old woman approached her and asked, "Have you seen a necklace? It belongs to my grandmother." Mira immediately returned the necklace. The woman smiled warmly and said, "I'm interested." The mirrors honestly would always bring her good work. Mira went home happily, knowing she had done the right thing. Okay,
further class. And we and continue to use your imaginative